Stop it!
Stop fighting!
Stop it! I'm not fighting! I'm not fighting!
Yes, you are!
No, the fuck not! Get off me! Get off me! Ow! Ow! Ow!
You can stop screaming.
Please help me! Please help me! Help me!
A seatbelt stop in Florida. The passenger can't provide his name. September 30th. Liset bodysitter. Langshanling Arshasu. Officers stop a vehicle for a seatbelt violation. The driver cooperates immediately. The passenger introduces himself as Levi. No ID. No social security number.
Stop it!
Stop fighting!
Stop it!
What are you waiting for?
Oh, stop!
Connor.
Appreciate it.
You got your ID on you, sir? Okay. Sir, do you have your ID on you by chance? Okay. Do you have any sort of identification on you? What's your name, sir?
Well, so
When you drove by us, sir, you didn't have your seatbelt on. So
Yeah.
at this point, what's up?
No, I had it on.
I didn't see your seatbelt on, sir. At this point, you gotta identify yourself, okay?
Oh, no, I had my seatbelt on. It was like this.
all right. So like he said, at this point, when we saw you, you did not have your seatbelt on, so you have to identify yourself.
No, I had my seatbelt on.
Okay. Well, you can keep saying that, but if you don't ID yourself, then you're gonna go to jail. Okay. So for not IDing yourself, that's what happens when you commit a violation. It doesn't matter. You committed a violation when you passed us. You didn't have your seatbelt
So
on.
listen, man, I'll just explain it to you like
No, I
this.
had my seatbelt on.
Alright, so at this point, man, listen, I'm gonna explain it to you. If you don't identify yourself, I'm gonna take you to jail for obstruction. I'm explaining to you what's about to happen. You just need to let me know if you want to identify yourself and give me a chance. It's just gonna result in a warning for no seatbelt. But as a passenger, you have to wear
No,
your
I
seatbelt.
had my seatbelt on.
That's not how this works, man. I'm already telling you, I saw you without your seatbelt on. You guys went right in front of me on MLK.
Yeah, I understand that, but
You didn't have your seatbelt on, man. Okay?
I did it, but
Okay, so would you rather go to jail or not identify yourself?
no, I don't want to go to jail, but I had my seatbelt on.
All right. So
I said,
do you have your ID on you?
no, I don't.
Okay. What's your name then? What's that?
Levi.
Levi what?
Levi, what? I can't hear you, sir.
All right, Levi. So also, I will just not saying you are, but I just want you to know that if you are giving us a false name, that's also an arrestable offense. Okay.
I didn't even have my
So are you giving me the right name?
obviously, why would I give you a fake name?
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
My seatbelt was on.
It was not when you drove by us.
Yes, it was.
It was not.
My seatbelt has been on. It's still on.
Okay. Well, you can keep saying that, but we saw you without your seatbelt on.
Oh, 274.
I've had my seatbelt on. It's still on.
10-4. What's that?
So what you guys looking for?
What do you mean? Yeah, it's just for my safety.
You feel unsafe? When you roll the window up?
No, if you roll the window up, then I'll just open the door, ask you to step out.
Bro, are you good? I don't know why he's... I thought you guys couldn't ask me for it.
What's that?
I said, I thought you guys couldn't ask for it.
So, since you committed a violation, a traffic violation, we're allowed to get your ID. Okay.
I'm not trying to...
No, it's all good, man. And listen, at the end of the day, it's most likely just going to be a warning for no seatbelt, man. We're not trying to hassle you guys. It's more just trying to spread awareness for safe driving, man. That's all it is. You be cool with us, we're cool with you guys. That's all. Not a big deal.
Hey, boss, so we're having some difficulty finding your ID. Do you have a Florida ID at all, or like, or a license? Where are you from?
From Wisconsin.
Wisconsin? Do you have a Wisconsin ID or anything? What's your social, bud? Oh, okay, gotcha. What's your social? You don't know your social? How old are you?
He is 27 years old, under Arizona versus Johnson. Officers may request identification from any passenger during a lawful traffic stop. Refusal is not a right, it is an offense. They offered him the same outcome 3 times. Cooperate. Receive a warning. Leave. He kept saying the seatbelt was on. He never mentioned the cocaine.
27? You don't know your social at 27 years old? Is there a reason why you don't want me to hear it? Okay, because you keep bumbling it.
I'm just irritated right now that you guys
Well, listen, man, I've already explained to you. You're cool with us, we'll be cool with you, and you'll go about your day with just a warning, all right?
I'm sorry.
No, it's all good, man. We're trying to work with you here. We just need you, like, we need to be able to find you in the system.
You're not going to get cited, but we do have to document that we're going to give you a warning for the seatbelt. So.
No, I know, man, but we're, like I said, we're just having trouble finding you in the system, that's all. Well, everybody's in the system. If you've ever had any form of ID in any state in this country, you're in the system.
What's your name?
What's that?
What's your name?
Gaines.
Police officer.
What's that?
How you been out there?
About 3 years. Yeah, it's a fun job, man. It's always something new every day.
Yes, run my Tinder day.
What's that? Is that where you were heading? Heading to pick up Tinder date? Well, you better tell her it's gonna be a minute.
Levi, do you have anything on you that shows like your identification or anything like that? Do you have a picture of your Wisconsin ID or anything like that? Do you know your social security number about her? You don't know your social? Dude, you're 20, how old are you? You're 27 years old and you don't know your social? What?
Like I said, usually it's, here's my name, alright. Everything's good to go, give you a warning, you guys go about your day. You been pulled over before? You've been in trouble with your business? You said you've been in trouble with your business? Oh, good for you. You got your phone right there. It don't work? Well, I'll be honest with you. Whatever happens here tonight, for future reference, it's best to have some sort of ID on you.
Yeah, I know, but I was,
Or
like I said, I just got here. I'm
some-
supposed to start brand new.
get your social, like, just have something on you. Because this, like I said, would have been 10 times quicker had we...
Shit from Wisconsin as we speak.
Hey man, can you step out for a second? Is there anything in that case? Let's face the car. Just face the car, man. Stop down this way. Give me a light. Let go of that, man. You breathing again?
Yes, you are. I'm watching you.
Bro, stop resisting. Stop.
Resisting. Stop.
You can grab his hand, man?
I'll
Yeah,
say,
just grab his hand. Right here.
What are you guys grabbing me?
Just stop. You're being detained right now. Okay?
For what?
Yo,
Stop. Why am I being detained?
Bro,
Explain in a minute. You're gonna get a resist if you keep doing what you're doing.
Why am I being detained?
I'll let you know in a minute once I get you handcuffed.
yo,
What is going on, bro?
Just stop.
Resisting, bro. Hold on.
Are you serious?
What are you guys doing right now?
bro.
You're resisting. You're literally resisting. It's
How
on
am I
camera.
resisting.
Stop fighting. It's on camera.
Why are you arresting me?
Stop. You're being detained.
stop.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
I'm gonna tell you right now, you don't do it, we're gonna take you to the ground. Do you understand that?
For what?
Stop.
What the hell have I done?
Listen to me. I'm gonna tell you one more time. You loosen your hands and you put them behind your back. If not, I'm taking you to the
Why?
ground. I'm gonna dump you on your face here in 2 seconds.
Officers asked him to step out of the vehicle. He declined. He later said he was just arguing. Officers said they were done with that conversation. He asked for his mom. He was 27.
I promise you I will do it.
Why? Why would you do that?
Relax your arms. Relax your arms.
Why am I being detained? What are you guys? Oh, stop! Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Stop! Ow! Oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Ow!
Hey,
What the fuck?
Because I got you put your hand behind your back.
Why am I being arrested?
On this one. Give me your
Oh, what the fuck is happening? Stop! Ow! Stop it, please!
You need to stop.
Stop it, please!
You stop.
What are you doing to me? Stop! Ow! Dude, you're fucking me up! Stop it, please! Oh!
Alright,
Stop! Stop it!
Put your right hand behind your back.
Stop!
Go ahead and put your right hand behind your back.
Stop it, bro! What the fuck are you doing? Ow!
Get out of your arm. I'm gonna punch you in your ribs. I'm gonna punch you in your ribs. Watch out, watch out.
Ow! 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 What the
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm bleeding!
Laying on on his wrist.
I'm bleeding. Stop. I want my mom. I want my mom. Please stop.
You stop, bro. We
Stop
told you a
it.
million times.
Stop it. Why are you doing this?
Stop laying on your hand, bro.
Stop it. I want to go home. I want to go home. Ow. The car is burning my face, bro. Stop.
Give him your hand.
Stop it. Stop it. I will get in the car. Just stop.
Not get in the car. Give him your hand.
Stop. Please stop.
It's too late. We gave him a million chances.
Let me stand up. Let me stand up.
Stop fighting, man.
I'm bleeding.
10-4, stand by.
Get off me. I want to go home. He was pushing the shit out of me. He punched the fucking shit. Stop it. Stop it.
Just give him your
You
hand.
see him punch the fucking shit
Give
out
him
of
your
me.
hand.
Stop. Let me stand up.
Not till you give him your
Let
hand,
me
bro.
stand up.
You've had a
I'm
million
bleeding.
chances.
What the fuck is going on?
You've had a million chances.
Stop it, please.
Give him your hand and we'll
Let me
stop.
stand up. My face is so bloody.
We will stop
My
once you
face
give
is
him your
so
hand.
bloody.
Put your hand behind your back.
Ow! 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 Stop! Ow! Stop it!
Stop fighting.
Stop it! I'm not fighting! I'm not fighting!
Yes, you are.
No, the fuck no! Get off me! Get off me! Ow! Ow! Ow!
You stop screaming.
Please help me! Please help me! Help me! Help me, please! Help me, please! Help me, please! Help me!
We'll get you his number, but we need you to stand up for us. All right?
We're gonna get his number, all right, man? You ready?
Can you get it before I go out?
Yep. Yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah, please get the number.
We will get the number.
Please. Can you get it out right?
Yes,
What
we
is
will
it?
get his number.
Tyler, this way.
I will write it down.
What is it?
Come on.
Oh, can you tell me one more time?
I'll write it down
We're
for
gonna
you.
write it down, Tyler.
Please get his number. Please.
We're going right now.
Please,
Watch out.
Please.
Doing real quick, man. Can you hear me? Real quick.
Oh my God.
Hey, you want to hear me for a second?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Dude, what the heck was that for, bro?
I was trying to talk to you guys.
You didn't have to, like, pull away and resist like that,
I
man.
was just not moving.
No, you weren't listening, man. And you were,
Oh, why did you guys do that to me, man? I was not fucking going nowhere. I was just standing there arguing with you.
please just put your hands behind your back or you're gonna go to the ground.
Man,
Dude, you got
I
5.
was just trying to argue with you, man. You didn't have to do all that. I
But-
wasn't gonna fight you. I wasn't fighting you.
Yeah, but all right, correct me if I'm wrong. Were you pulling away or not?
No, I was just
All
not
right.
moving.
Now-
I was just not moving.
But let's be honest here. You were pulling away, and dude, I'm not gonna lie. You're a strong dude.
I was not trying to fight anybody or nothing like that.
Yes,
man. I was
but
just
you-
trying
but-
not to move because I was trying to get my point across.
Yeah,
man.
but you were resisting, man. And then if we're telling you, hey man, please put your hands behind your back, please. You're not doing it, dude. You're resisting officers, man. It's like you can't do that. And it turned into this whole thing for like really, to be honest, no reason. It was your name is false, and I told you this. Don't lie to me about your name, man. It'll get figured out. And you did it anyway. I know you know your social,
I don't know my social.
but you do know your correct name, and you didn't want to tell me it. Why didn't you want to tell me your correct name?
I'm fucking scared, man.
Dude, you don't gotta be scared, man. If you don't have nothing to worry about, why are you scared?
Shit, you mean?
Huh?
You guys didn't have to do that. I was just standing there gonna argue. That's it. You didn't have to do all that, man.
Dude,
I get it.
Why were you gonna argue with us? That's the point, though.
Disrespect anybody.
Hey, Tyler,
I
why,
have a job to do, man.
Tyler, why were you gonna argue with us though? Like, what's the point of that?
Oh my God, this shit hurts so bad.
Okay, we're almost in there, man, and we'll loosen them up.
Freaking thumb's leaking.
Leaking?
I feel like you guys dislocated my shoulder, man. You really didn't have to do any of that. I promise you that. Ow.
All right, well we'll get them adjusted.
Holy shit.
Hey, Tyler, listen to me.
Oh my God.
Can you listen to me for a sec? Well, I'll adjust them for you when you get inside. All right, man. Just hold on,
I'm so scared, man.
dude. You don't gotta be scared, man.
Oh
What's
my
done is done,
God.
and
3 charges. 1 seatbelt stop. Possession of cocaine. Obstruction without violence. False identification. Every charge was in the car before the officer walked up. Florida statute 843. 0. 2 obstruction without violence carries up to 1 year. He earned that charge the moment he refused a lawful command to step out. Giving a false name to law enforcement during a lawful stop is a criminal offense in Florida. He volunteered the fake name, then spent 6 minutes sticking to it. He could not produce his social security number. The cocaine was right there. Graham versus Connor measures use of force against what officers knew in the moment. Unknown identity, active resistance, undisclosed contraband. The force was reasonable. Officers get a B+. Patient through a frustrating stop. 6 chances to cooperate and go home. Force came only after sustained physical resistance. Early jail threat over a seatbelt was unnecessary. They recovered everything from the step-out command forward is textbook. Tyler gets a D. A seatbelt warning was the ceiling of this stop. He refused to identify. Gave a false name. Physically resisted and had cocaine on him the entire time. The false name explains itself. He knew what they would find. In Florida, refusing to identify yourself during a lawful traffic stop is not a right. It is a chargeable offense. Cooperation ends the stop. Resistance extends it indefinitely. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. What should Tyler's sentence be? Drop it in the comments. See you next time.
We'll get past it.
Tyler was charged with